I have historically been at FedEx like the day before to try and make a contribution or do something right at the deadline. So, how should I think about something like tax loss harvesting before the end of the year?
I always suggest starting your year-end planning in November before the holidays and everything gets busy because of that December 31st deadline. It's interesting because tax loss harvesting does need to be done by December 31st to lock in, but there's two times that I would recommend looking for tax loss harvesting opportunities throughout the course of the year. Anytime there's a significant downturn in the market, because that's probably going to provide you the most opportunity to lock in some of those tax losses.
So basically, it would be if I had one stock or one index fund that fell quite a bit, I could sell that, take the loss, and use it to offset something I sold at a gain. But I couldn't buy the exact same thing. So sometimes an example used would be if my Nestle stock fell, I could sell it to offset some sweet gains that I got with Nvidia. But if I really felt like I needed exposure in the chocolate market, I could buy Mondelez,
Exactly.
which would be a similar type of mover, and lock that loss in that I got from Nestle against any gains. So I wouldn't have capital gains tax when I do file my taxes.
Exactly.
Adriana, we end, as you know, all of our episodes by asking our guests for a tip that listeners can take straight to the bank. What is one that we did not touch on? Because we touched on so many.
We did touch on a lot, but in summary, I would say the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The next best time is today. The same goes for financial planning. The best time to start financial planning was 20 years ago. The next best time is today. It's never too late.
You're never as young as you are today. And today is as good a day as any. And no one has ever in the history of the world said, I'm so glad I didn't invest earlier.
Exactly.
Okay, so how do we do this thing?
Head to domainmoney.com and book your free strategy session. There's literally nothing to lose. You can also find us on social, Domain Money on Instagram, Advice with Adriana on Instagram, if you're looking for some more content to consume.
Yes, please. And what if I want to specifically book with you? Because we're obsessed with you.
I love it. Head to domainmoney.com